we just got up into this attic. Customers complaining no airflow. I just checked on the condenser. The suction line is freezing up. I don't hear any airflow. So something's going on with the blower. Gotta get into this attic first. Oh. Whew, a little warm up here. Okay, I already see water in the pan. There's spider webs like crazy up here too. Oh yeah. See, that's what happens when you don't order the correct pan. This pan should span the length of the whole furnace because it is a 90%er, 80%er. You just have to cover the coil. But they definitely got too small of a pan, so they've been having water dripping out, as you can see right there. All that's from water leaking out over time. There is a wet switch, but it's not. Or is that a wet switch? No, it's like a cap. Never mind. Man, I'm getting blasted with spider webs right now. Let's get all these webs out of the way. So I know we have power, but the blower's definitely not running. Thermostat's calling. Let's see. Getting a little warm. Let's get the light up in here. Yep, yep, those motors are trash. That ECM motor's probably dead. Let's take a look again. I just worked on one of these Colemans the other day. Just pretty much a York. Not that good. See if anything happens. And we're on a zone system here, so it's purging. We can override that purge, but I don't want to let go of this button or we're just going to reset everything. So once this comes back on, we'll take a look again. Okay, I verified we are getting 120 volts and 24 volts to the motor select, but I looked back just now at this wheel and it's like off balance. Let's see, I think this wheel, yeah, look at that. So there's something going on with this bracket. Oh yeah, look at right there. The bolt came out of the bracket. All right, let's pull this out, see if we can get that going. All right, just got the motor out. You can see this bolt has definitely came undone, which was causing the squirrel cage to be like jammed up on the housing here. All right, and wasn't allowing it to spin. So let's get this connected, make sure this gets tight, make sure it's not all stripped out. If it's stripped out, we might have to drill a new hole, but let's try this for now. Okay, so I just tried tightening it, but you can definitely see this bolt's all jarred loose. So I'm just gonna drill 3 new holes so this thing's nice and tight. All right, I just drilled a couple pilot holes. Okay, we got our new holes drilled. It seems like the cage is spinning freely. So let's hope this thing starts up. Let's plug this thing in. Just want to test it before we get everything anchored in. I'm sweating like crazy up here. It's hot. We're on a purge again, so we'll come back once the purge is done. All right, we got it running. I got it all in there. I don't know if you can hear it. Oh, I just shut it off. got it all mounted back in. Just a loose bolt, so we had to drill 3 new holes. Motor's fine, so let's get this back on and get these people some cool air. Thanks for watching.